Yeah guys, I'm here making some barbecue sauce to make some barbecue chicken. So this is my barbecue sauce for my barbecue chicken. Here I have some chicken that is already seasoned to be baked. So I seasoned these chicken, so I'm gonna bake them. Okay. Here I have some baked chicken. It's all baked chicken. So I'll be coming back to show you when it is barbecue. So all these is gonna toss into the barbecue sauce. See, I toss this into the barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. All barbecue. Barbecue sauce. When I come back, I'll show you the finish section. This is my finished barbecue chicken. And I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley over it. The parsley. So there you go. When I get back, I'll show you what I'm gonna be serving it with. It's some pork beans and corn on the cob. So I'll be right back. So I have the baked beans, nice baked beans. It's pork baked beans. Nice pork baked beans. So this is the corn on the cob. Lovely corn on the cob. So this is what we have today, this Labor Day. Barbecue chicken. Baked beans and corn. Thank you for watching, and guys, please like, share and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. So please subscribe guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.